Hey guys, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling on a finished project here today in Zionsville. Wanted to give a quick after video on this one. This was a pretty big transformation for this homeowner. We did an all new roof system. We did Owens Corning driftwood shingle. We painted all the brick on this house. This was a brick ranch, so had the old school style red brick, and this homeowner wanted to modernize that, so we went with a alabaster paint color from Sherwin-Williams. So painted all the brick. We did all new siding and trim and soffit work on this house as well. As you can see, we went with a fiber cement option for all the siding and trim and soffit. This is all James Hardy cobblestone. And then here, as we walk around the front, also gutters to match. You can see the gutter system's pretty darn close to the cobblestone. But as we walk up, you can see some of the front porch transformation that we did. Here we took out all the old columns, post columns, you can see, and then we went back with all new cedar columns, installed those, kind of brought some wood tones into this one. You can see here we got cedar on the porch ceiling along with all cedar columns. Wanted a touch of kind of the wood tones to come in, but keep it as maintenance free as possible. So you can see kind of how that turned out. We got a tongue and groove system there for the porch ceiling. Turned out really, really nice. Got the boxes on the bottom of the cedar columns. So this one was a pretty big transformation as far as from the total exterior of the house. This homeowner has a new complete exterior on this ranch. So again, took an old ranch home and gave it a modern facelift. Roof was actually approved by insurance company, so we worked directly with the insurance company to find wind damage on this one. And then we did all new siding trim and soffit system, and also gutters. So this homeowner did work some with our design team to kind of come up with some of the color schemes that they liked. Pre-finished on the siding and trim, and then all Sherwin-Williams paint for the brick. As you can see, turned out really, really nice.